Welcome to this NetBurner online screencast. In this screencast, we will be going over how to recover your monitor in case of failure. Begin by opening the MIDI application tool. Connect to your module serial debug port. If you are using a USB module, this will be the USB port. Otherwise, connect a serial cable to UART0. Your monitor must be set to 115200 BPS. Also ensure that the following parameters are set: 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. As we observe my Mod 5282 boot, you will see that it's getting a trap error. Although traps do not always indicate that the monitor has failed, we will use this opportunity to perform the flash monitor recovery procedure. To begin this procedure, we are going to check that the application is currently booting into monitor upon a trap failure. To do this, type setup and enter the monitor. Pressing the 8 button will change the option to boot to monitor. Press this now and save. To continue, we need to perform a hard reset on the module. This means physically pulling out the power supply and reconnecting the device. If you are using a USB module, it is important that you disconnect in MIDI before pulling the power. To do this, click on Disconnect. Remove the power from the device and wait a few seconds. Reconnect the power to the device and reconnect in MIDI. The module will now automatically load back into the monitor upon failure. To continue the recovery procedure, type DL to initialize a download. Go to Transfer, Send File, and select Mod 5282 recover.s19. Press Enter to send now. The download will be very quick and you should be returned to the NB prompt. To continue, type Go and then press Enter. You will see the letter G in the MIDI window to indicate that it is ready to continue. If you do not see a G, then something went wrong and you should restart the process. Now, send the file mod5282-rommon.s19. Transfer the file the same way by clicking Transfer, Send File, and select mod5282-rommon.s19. Send the file now. Finally, you'll need to set up your device monitor settings. To do this, type Setup at the prompt. Press 8 to change your device so that it boots to the application instead of the monitor. Press S to save this setting. You will now be prompted to input your device's MAC address. You can find your MAC address on the module. The sticker is located on top of the device. You do not need to type the dashes when inputting your MAC address. Once your MAC address options are saved, you'll be returned to the prompt. At this time, you will want to load up the Mod 5282 factory application. To do this, type FLA to load a new program into Flash. Press Enter and select Transfer, Send File, and select the Mod 5282 factory application. When it's finished, the device will be returned to its factory state. The application should start up, a DHCP address will be found, and the device will boot properly.